permutation groups or symmetric groups Sn. Let x is equal to 1, 2, 3 to n be a set having n distinct elements. The set of all bijective mappings from X onto itself are nothing but the set of all permutations of all the elements of X. We can define a composition of two such permutations as the composition of two such mappings. We can verify that the set of all permutations of X forms a group with respect to the composition so defined. This group is called the symmetric group of degree n. We observe that the order of the group is factorial n. One should note that if X is an infinite set, the set of all bijections of X onto itself also form a group with respect to the same composition of functions and is also known as the group of permutations. For illustration, let us consider S3, the symmetric group of degree 3. That is group of permutations on three symbols 1, 2, 3. Let S is equal to 1 to 3. Consider the maps F S to S such that F of 1 is equal to 2, F of 2 is equal to 3, F of 3 is equal to 1. The above permutation can be written as 1 F1, 2 F2, 3 F3. That is, this is 1 and its image is F1. This is 2 and image of 2 is F2. 3 and its image F3. Or 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. From the diagram, we can see that image of 1 under F is 2. Image of 2 under F, this is 3. That is, F of 1 is equal to 2, F of 2 is equal to 3 and F of 3 is equal to 1. So, here F is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1 is a 1, 1, 1, 2 function on S. Since S consists of 3 elements, so there are factorial 3 is equal to 6 permutations on S. Let S3 be the set of all permutations on S. Then S3 is equal to F0 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, which is the identity function. F1 is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, that is image of 1 is 1 under F1, and image of 2 is 3, and image of 3 is 2. F2 is equal to 1 3 2 2 3 1. F3 is equal to 1 2 2 1 3 3. F4 is equal to 1 2 2 3 3 1, and F5 is equal to 1 3 2 1 3 2. The composition of any two permutations F2 and F5 are given by the following rule. F2 composition F5 is equal to 1 3 2 2 3 1, as F2 is equal to 1 3 2 2 3 1. F5 is 1 3 2 1 3 2. This is equal to 1 1 2 3 3 2, which is equal to F of 1. But how? By F5 1 goes to 3, and by F2 3 goes to 1. So 1 goes to 3 and 3 goes to 1. This is 1 goes to 3, 3 goes to 1. So by F2 composition F5, 1 is carried to 1. Similarly by F5, this is 2 goes to 1, and by F2 1 goes to 3. So 2 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 3. So F2 composition F3 carries 2 to 3, and by F5 3 goes to 2, and here by F2 2 goes to 2. So by F5 3 goes to 2, and by F2 2 goes to 2. So F2 composition F5 carries 3 to 2, that is 3 goes to 2, 2 goes to 2. It is easy to verify that S3 is closed with respect to the above rule of compositions. The following table exhibits the result of all possible compositions. From the table, we have the multiplication or composition of any two permutations of S3 gives a permutation of S3. That is, S3 is closed with respect to multiplication or composition of the functions. Associativity. Associativity holds for any three permutations. For example, F2 composition F3 composition F5. This is F4 composition F5. From the table we can see F2 composition F3. F2 composition F3 gives F4. So F2 composition F3 composition F5 is equal to F4 composition F5, and F4 composition F5 gives F0 from the composition table. This is F4 and this is F5. So this is F4 composition F5 gives F0. That is identity permutations. And similarly F2 of composition F3 F5, which gives F3 composition F5 is equal to F2, and this is F2. So F2 composition F2, this is equal to F0 from the composition table. This is F2 composition F2 gives F0. F0 when composed with any permutation gives that permutation. So F0 is the identity element of S3. Every permutation has its inverse. Here F1 inverse is equal to F1, F2 inverse is equal to F2, F3 inverse is equal to F3 inverse is equal to F3, F4 inverse is equal to F5, F5 inverse is equal to F4. Since F1 composition F1 is equal to F0, F2 composition F2 is equal to F0, F3 this is equal to F of 0 from the table, and F4 F5 is equal to F0 and F5 F4 is equal to F of 0. Multiplication is non-commutative, that is, composition of functions is non-commutative. As from the table F1 F2 is not equal to F2 F1 and F2 F3 is not equal to F3 F2. Composition of functions is non-commutative. From the above observations, we conclude that S3 is non-abelian group. It is a permutation group as the elements of this group are only permutations. Proposition. Sn is a finite group of order factorial n and is non-abelian if n is greater than 2. Proof. If f belongs to Sn, then f is a 1-1 mapping of the set 1, 2, 3 up to n onto itself. F can be defined by prescribing f1 arbitrarily, that is, f1 can be chosen in n ways. Similarly, f2 can be given any one of the remaining n-1 values. Different from f1, and f3 can be given any one of the remaining n-2 values, etc. Thus, the possible choices of f are n into n-1 into n-2 up to 3 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is equal to factorial n. Therefore, order of Sn is equal to factorial n. For n greater than or equal to 3, consider the following elements of Sn. F is equal to 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 5 up to n goes to n. And G is equal to 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4 up to n. Then we can see that F composition G is not equal to G composition F, showing that Sn is non-abelian. This proves the result.